If you're really planning to get messy bun this year without going into an awkward stage and with minimal effort, just follow this video and you will end up with a strong and attractive messy bun. If you are thinking, who the heck are you talking on this topic? My name is Ali and I make videos on hair problems, their solutions, and even how to get certain hairstyles like this one. So let's get started without wasting any time. For a messy bun, your hair should be at least 10 to 12 inches long, which is around shoulder length or slightly longer. As you know, hair grows about half an inch per month, so you will need to grow your hair for almost 12 months to get it. Now the question is, who can get a messy bun? Oval and heart-shaped faces are versatile and can pull off both high and low messy buns effortlessly. But if you have a round face, leaving a few loose strands around your face can help elongate your features and add balance. For square faces, a higher messy bun with some volume on top can soften angular features. Hair texture also plays an important role. If you have a thick or curly hair, your natural volume works in your favor. But if you have fine or straight hair, you might need a little extra work to achieve the messy bun look. Products like texturizing spray or dry shampoo can add grip and fullness, making it easier to style your hair into a bun that doesn't look too flat or sleek. The first thing you need is a plan for regular visits to the barber every 2 months. This might sound counterintuitive since you're trying to grow your hair out, but regular trims are essential because as your hair grows, the ends can become dry, split, and damaged. If you don't get those trimmed, the damage can travel up the hair shaft, making your hair weaker and prone to breakage. A core trim every 2 months keeps your hair looking healthy and ensures even growth. Here's a roadmap to help you plan your journey. I'm assuming you have around 4 inches of hair length when starting out. If your hair is shorter than this, let it grow for 2 to 3 months before starting the journey. First visit. You will make your first visit after 2 months. On the first visit to your barber, you will want to focus on creating a good foundation. When you visit the barber, tell him you're growing your hair for the messy bun. This way, he will avoid cutting too much off and will do just dusting. If your hair is very short, discuss with your barber how to grow it out in a way that suits your face shape and hair texture. They might recommend cutting out any uneven layers or edges to ensure your hair grows uniformly. Even if your hair is already a medium length, a cleanup will set your hair on the right path. After this visit, you will start your hair growth journey. If your hair was around 4 inches at the start, 2 months later, it should be around 5 inches. While this length is not enough for a messy bun, it's a step closer. Growing out your hair doesn't mean you just let it do its thing. Make sure it grows strong and healthy. I recommend using moisturizing sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner because it prevents dryness, which can lead to split ends. Washing 2 to 3 times a week is usually enough to keep it clean without stripping away its natural oils. Second visit. By the time you're at your second visit, your hair will have grown another inch, reaching around 6 inches. Your barber can help maintain your hair by trimming just the ends, ensuring your hair grows without damage. This is still too short for a messy bun, but you can start experimenting with trying your hair back loosely or styling it in a small half-up ponytail. These styles are great for keeping your hair out of your face while you wait for more length. Consider adding a leave-in conditioner or a hair oil to your routine. These products help lock in moisture and add a layer of protection against environmental damage like sun exposure and pollution. Lots of people ask me to recommend a good hair strengthening shampoo and conditioner. And here I want to tell you about this video sponsor, Geology, a brand that produces good quality strengthening shampoo and conditioner. The strengthening shampoo contains vitamin B5 and lactic acid, which are the main ingredients for repairing damaged hair, strengthening your hair, and exfoliating the scalp. And the strengthening conditioner contains rice protein and avocado, which will reduce frizz in hair, maximize scalp, and most importantly, give your hair a natural shiny look. If you are interested, check both products using the link in the description or in the first comment. Thanks, Geology, for sponsoring this video. Third visit. Fast forward to the third visit, about 6 months into your hair growth journey, and your hair will be around 7 inches long. Again, a light trim will keep your hair healthy, and your barber might start shaping it slightly to prepare for the bun look. I know, the process of growing out your hair can feel awkward at times. Your hair might hit that in-between stage here, where it is not quite long enough for certain styles, but too long for others. This is the perfect perfect time to get creative with your styling. Use hair bands, clips, and headbands to keep your hair in check. Fourth visit, 8 months into your journey, and your hair should be around 8 inches long. Regular trims will still be necessary, but make sure to communicate with your barber that you're aiming for length. A light shaping at this point will ensure that the final look is balanced. This is when you will notice more versatility in styling. While you still might not achieve the full messy bun look, you can try small buns and other creative styles like half buns. Fifth visit, by 10 months, your hair will be 9 inches long. This is the time for your 5th barber visit. Ask your barber to tidy up the ends while ensuring no unnecessary length is removed. This is where the fun begins, because your hair is approaching the length needed for a proper messy bun. At this stage, you might find that you can gather most of your hair into a loose bun, but it might not have yet the fullness or length you desire. The messy bun looks best on slightly longer hair because it allows for a relaxed, voluminous look that doesn't fall flat. You can add texturizing products to enhance the natural shape and movement of your bun. Sixth visit, by the 12th month, your hair should be around 10 inches long, and you will have reached the perfect length for a messy bun. This is time for your 6th and last visit. Your barber will give your hair a final shape up, making sure the ends are healthy and the overall look is polished. Messy bun is a low maintenance style, but still needs maintenance trims. I recommend visiting the barber every 8 weeks to remove the split ends. Once your hair is at the right length, you are ready to create a messy bun. A messy bun is all about balance. You want it to look undone, but not like you just rolled out of bed. A messy bun looks best on the second day of air, but if your hairs are freshly washed, you can blow dry and finger comb it to create the required look. Apply a texturizing spray or dry shampoo to give your hair a grip. This step is optional for wavy or curly hair, but I suggest using a bit because it can help make your hair easier to style and control frizz. Next, tease the crown for added volume if needed. Now, start by gathering your hair into a ponytail at the spot where you want your bun to sit. This could be high on your head, in the middle, or low near the nape of your neck. When you put your hair through a ponytail holder, don't pull all the ends through. Let some hang loose. The parts of hair that are left out of the bun create a messy, relaxed look that makes the hairstyle feel more casual and effortless. Secure it with a hair tie or a few bobby pins. However, don't try to make it perfect. Tug gently at a few strands to loosen the bun and create that messy look. Let some hair naturally fall out around your face for a softer, more relaxed look. And you are done with a messy bun. Once you've grown your hair out for a messy bun, you will have plenty of options to experiment with other styles. Let me share a couple of great alternatives. A half a messy bun is perfect for when you want to keep some hair down but still enjoy the cool look of a bun. Simply gather the top section of your hair and tie it into a loose bun, leaving the rest of your hair flowing. Another option is the braided bun. Start by creating a loose braid and tug some strands out of the braid before wrapping it into a bun. And you're done. Why just grow your hair for a messy bun to get an attractive look? I suggest you work on your body and get a wee taper body as well. If you are looking to work on your body, watch this video where you can get a V-shaped body in under 6 months.